Hello everybody! Samahan nyo kami ngayon dito sa Royal Caribbean. The room that we are showcasing right now is what we call the stateroom interior. And this is what it looks like if you are going on a 5-day cruise. This room is perfect if gusto nyo talagang maranasan mag-cruise pero on the budget kayo. Ito naman ang bathroom nila, and kung i-compare natin siya dun sa bathroom ng balcony room, medyo malaki nga lang siya ng konti. And to be honest with you, the room is quite small pero I think okay lang naman since you would be spending most of your time outside your room. And the room will fit 2 people, and perfect na perfect siya if you are going on a cruise alone or kasama nyo lang yung partner ninyo. And it also has huge space for storage as well. So if you want to go on a cruise with a budget, I would recommend you this room.